This surge protector power strip has 16 outlets and is housed in a durable Al/Mg alloy casing. It provides protection against surges, spikes, and outages, effectively preventing damage to your electronics. The widely spaced outlets, with a center-to-center distance of 2.23 inches, are ideal for accommodating bulky plugs and power supplies. This power strip is designed to work well in environments with heavy equipment or extensive electronic use, such as workshops, offices, garages, and more. It offers a convenient solution to safeguard your devices and ensure their uninterrupted performance. With a red power indicator light, you can easily confirm if the power strip is functioning correctly. It operates at 125 VAC/15A/1875W, with an input NEMA 5-15P and an output NEMA 5-15R. Overall, this surge protector power strip provides ample outlets, reliable surge protection, and a sturdy design. It is an essential tool to protect your valuable electronics and keep them running smoothly. The 16-outlet surge protector power strip is a must-have for protecting your electronics from damage caused by surges, spikes, or outages. It features a durable Al/Mg alloy housing and a plastic mounting bracket for convenient installation. With widely spaced outlets, it is perfect for accommodating bulky plugs and power supplies. The power strip is ideal for use in environments with heavy equipment or electronic use, such as workshops, offices, garages, and more. The red power indicator light ensures that you know when the strip is functioning properly. It has an input of 125 VAC/15A/1875W and an output of NEMA 5-15R, making it suitable for various devices.
Overall, I highly recommend this product to anyone who need it. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've included a link in the description box below. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel and give me a like on this video. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.